Oh, hello. Hello. We're in Cornwall and we're using Newquay as our base of operations as we explore the area. In the previous episode, we ventured down to St Michael's Mount, a medieval island fortress, and we encountered wild tea bags at Kynance Cove, one of Britain's most beautiful beaches. But today the car is getting a rest as we spend some time in Newquay itself. So, it is our second morning here in beautiful, resplendent Newquay. Today we're going off to Newquay Zoo.
Oh look, he's showing his teeth.
There's a slightly intricate one-way system going on at the moment due to the COVID-19 fiasco. Still, already seen some animals, some monkeys, some deer, some warthogs. Don't know what else there is here, I guess we'll soon find out. And as soon as Becky's done getting some beautiful wildlife snaps and videos of these baboons over here, doing her best David Attenborough impression, we'll continue with the visit. Hey buddy, how you doing? I think he's feeling horny. That's Barack Obama, who, if you read the description, has famously been to Newquay Zoo. No, he hasn't. He's describing something else that happened in 2009, which was that Obama became president. Though the former president of the United States hasn't been to Newquay Zoo, the king of the jungle has, and as it turns out, he's very lazy. While the new camera has got some great footage on this trip, it's not really cut out for the zoo. It's an action camera, so it can't zoom in or out, and the animals rarely fill the frame thanks to the wide-angle lens, so I'm depending on Becky to get some video with her camera. But when it comes to these monkeys, I think I spy the chance to get the action cam up close. I'm about to learn, however, that monkeys are little thieves.
Oh look, he's interested.
Hey buddy.
What's this? Camera for the steering?
Oh, yummy little sound.
I got a picture.
Hello. Oh my god, he's got the camera. Oh, okay. Oh, hello. Hello. Okay, monkeys, you win this round. Rabbit was absolutely enormous. Forget Bugs Bunny, it's like Big's Bunny. Huge. Rabbitzilla. Imagine him tearing through the streets of Tokyo, knocking down buildings. Newquay Zoo has been a blast. Now we're heading back to the seafront for some rest and relaxation. Okay, all done at Newquay Zoo. Monkeys really like this camera, let me tell you. Grabby little buggers. Quick as well. I'd no sooner put it up there to get a little bit of close-up footage and all of a sudden one of them sprang on it. In accordance with British tradition, we grabbed some chips to enjoy at the beach, which I'm washing down with Cornwall's most famous brew. Found us a lovely little spot right near the waves. Waves are getting closer. Tide is coming in. We're going to have to relocate, or our towels will be very soggy. Then it's back into the chilly waters of the Cornish coast. Each time we arrived at another patch of shade, we had to move. So now to try and cool off, because I've had to sit in the sun like some sort of normal person, I'm going to go in the sea for a bit. We're officially in the sea. It's cold, warms up eventually. And to be fair, you're not going to get any warmer waters in Britain because it's a cold place. I mean, London is as far north as Vancouver, allegedly. Alright, we'll splash here for a while longer. We're going to drop you off with Becky. It's no match for Kynance Cove, but Newquay Beach is, for us, far more convenient. Once we're done, we shake off the sand, grab a quick power nap at the hotel and head into town for food. But not before Becky gets her share of disappointment at the amusement arcade. It's COVID ready here at the video arcade. That means they've got arrows on the floor, look. Compared to the multi-level emporiums you get out there in Japan, bit of a deflating experience. Safety measures are basically stay a bit apart and follow the arrows.
It picked it up and then dropped it, you missed it.
Oh no. All the glamour of Las Vegas right here in Newquay at the Jackpot video game arcade. What do you prefer, the claw machines in Japan or in Newquay?
Japan, obviously.
We're desperate to avoid another night eating off paper plates in our room, but we're in for disappointment. Hello. I tried phoning to make a booking, but I couldn't get through to anyone.
Yeah, we are fully booked, I'm afraid. All night and tomorrow as well. Friday's looking almost fully booked as well.
Not a single place we call has a table free. Social distancing means it's takeout or nothing. So we've had to admit defeat on the restaurant front. We're not going to find anywhere to actually eat out, but the pizza place we've ordered from has good reviews, so fingers crossed. Just now we've got to wait 2.5 hours until 9:15 to go and collect the pizza. Serving up dinner tonight is Little Italy, a pizza place across town. Got some pizza and some dough balls from Little Italy. Let's see if they're any good. Mine's actually really good, how's yours?
It'd be better if it wasn't so bad, because even the prosciutto's a bit burnt. Like it's too crispy.
So that will do for today. Tomorrow we are going to the Eden Project, which should be interesting. The world's only enclosed rainforest, I think. Well, let's find out. Until then. Travel in the age of COVID. If it happens at all, it's nothing like normal. Have you attempted to travel this year? How did it go? Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.